After setting up your Galaxy Watch, if now you want to quickly change the new watch faces, we are here to show you how you can add, set and customize watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now this is your original watch face after setup. To change it, just press and hold on your watch face. Now as you can see, if you swipe right, you can change the watch face from the Wearable app that's downloaded on your phone. Now for this video, I'm going to do it from my watch. Now first of all, you can customize the current watch face by tapping on this customize button. And as you can see, you'll get a bunch of tabs at the top like style, color, compilation, and etc. You can customize your current watch style by swiping up or down. Same goes for all the other tabs. When you're done, just tap on your back button and that customized watch face will be enabled on your watch. Now, if you want to use an entirely different style of watch face, go back here, swipe left, and tap on Add Watch Face. You'll get a lot of pre-installed watch faces by Samsung of different types and categories like graphic, information, health, just in case you're using a sleep tracker or step counter, simple or basic. There's some free downloaded watch faces as well. And if you want to download any watch face from Play Store, just tap here and you'll end up on your Play Store. You can choose watch faces right from here. After choosing a watch face from the pre-installed or any of your downloaded one, you'll end up in here, and just like we've shown you, you can customize it more. But please remember, the customization options depends and limited to the type or category of watch face you choose for yourself. When you're done, just go back to your home screen, and once again, the newly selected watch face will be enabled on your watch. And by this exact same process, you can choose any of the watch faces, customize the style, color, and other functions on your watch face. Thanks for watching.